amazing when young Jamaicans do great things. Filmmaker Ajani Salmon is going to join us on Skype all the way from London ahead of the premiere of his hilarious web series Dreaming Whilst Black. On set, we have Managing Director of Muse Creative Agency, Andre Burnett, who is involved in this project. We're going to tell you how. But first, let's have a look at the trailer.
With a degree in accounting, he recently made the decision to pursue a career in film. Questionable decision?
It's a good point, John, but then again, who would trust an accountant with hair like that?
Well, just quit my job to become a filmmaker, actually.
So another unemployed black man.
Kwabena, you have to start taking life seriously, you see?
Let me tell you a story about the last black guy I employed.
How did you live?
Got to know where your priorities lie. Do whatever you can for your art.
Do your job, or I'll get someone else.
Bruv, got any stuff?
You smoke weed though, right?
No.
I'm a black man in a white world. I'm a black man in a white world. I'm a black man in a white world.
And what's going on with the hair?
It's just a look.
What, the homeless look?
I'm a black man in a white world. I'm a black man in a white world. I'm a black man in a white world. I'm a black man in a white world.
Exciting stuff there from your fellow Monroenian.
Pronounce it correctly.
Yes. People usually don't?
Yeah.
It's true?
Monroe and stuff like that.
Monroe.
No, Monroe.
All right. So it looks funny. It's a little bit of British wheat with Jamaican wheat come together. It's going to be hilarious. And you guys are premiering on Sunday.
Yes, we are. We're hosting one of the 6 worldwide premiere screening parties at the Cove on Winchester Road. So we're partnering with New Wave, which is an event that caters to Jamaican creatives. So we thought they would be the perfect people to partner with.
Okay, so let's back up a little bit now, Andre. So you and Ajani went to Monroe together.
Yes.
How did you guys get to be collaborating on this project?
All right, so it all has to do with Ajani's cousin, Henry Robinson.
Okay.
So I had hired Henry to edit something for me in my current business, and he showed me that clip that you just saw a while ago. And I was like, whoa, I need to get in on this. So we started talking, and we couldn't figure out how to make this work. And I was like, I want to throw some money at it.
Yeah.
So I went hunting for some money because marketing is the biggest part of it. No matter how good it is, and I consider myself a pretty good marketer, we just needed the cash to put behind it.
How easy was that? Because this is Caribbean content.
Yes.
You guys have big plans for it, and we want to talk about that. But the marketing part is usually the part that beat people bad.
Yes, but we've gotten a lot of practice. I mean, we've been doing... People blame me or hail me for Campari because we did a lot of work for Campari. So the growth of Campari was credited to us as Muse, the agency.
Okay.
So it wasn't hard for us to do a passion project. Imagine if it's something that we love.
Yeah.
And this is something that we've been talking about since Monroe.
Yeah.
Trying to get something on TV.
So who jumped on board?
Kimala Bennett, my former boss and mentor, and my business partner.
From the lab.
From the lab.
Hello, Kimala.
Yes.
Real innovator in this business.
She took it up by the scruff of the neck and ran with it.
Yeah. So she came on board.
And Lauren Peart, my business partner, and a couple of my other friends, each threw in a little trumps here and there.
Yeah. So what is the hope from the collaboration? So Ajani has filmed it, it's already packaged. You guys are on board now helping to market. Is the hope that you can collaborate on future projects?
The hope is that we get this one to a major streaming site or a major broadcaster like TVJ.
Hey. Hey, Claire. Yes.
But we hope to shoot season 2 very shortly, and we want to do at least a part of season 2 in Jamaica.
Okay.
So we're hoping for Jampro or some of the other stakeholders to come on board and help us to make it a bigger production next time.
You're looking at Netflix.
Yes.
You're hoping Netflix will take that up.
Yes.
And if that happens,
then the door opens.
Boom.
The door is open, and that's what we're really looking for, because creativity is something that we think is investable, and the problem is that creatives probably wait on people to invest on it. I said, no, let's do it ourselves. Let's put our money where our mouth is and see what comes from that.
And if you get this project there, the possibilities are endless, because they can turn to you for more Caribbean content, which is lacking And there's a notion that the Caribbean content, no, you have to be good. It just has to be there.
It just has to be there. I mean, I made a comment in the paper yesterday about that Indian show that shows in the middle of the day. And if people are watching this, and I'm sure that a lot of people on set right here could shoot something better than that in their spare time. Shout out.
Oh my gosh, I thought I was going to talk about shade only one time this morning, but look at this. All right, so come now, Andre. You launch on Sunday.
Yes.
Where? What time?
At the Cove on Winchester Road. Again, it's a partnership with New Wave Jamaica. And it starts at 7 p.m. and we have Appleton Estate as our major sponsor. They were very excited to come on board. We also have Savannah performing on the night. So promises to be a very fun night.
And is it invitation only, or are you okay?
It's free. We're looking to expand the space a little bit because the interest has been so high.
Yeah, and so, after this morning,
exactly.
More interest
so we're hoping for a great turnout, but we're also hoping for people to watch it on YouTube right after. I mean, if you drive the views up, they can't help but take notice of us.
Correct. Okay, and so you are one of 6 major cities, Kingston is, where this movie will be premiering at the same time?
Well, the time difference kind of makes it a little bit difficult, but Shanghai, Miami, Amsterdam, London, and was that 5? So
you have Shanghai, London, Paris.
Yeah, Paris, yes.
Amsterdam, Miami,
and Kingston.
And Kingston.
And I think Kingston is going to be the biggest one.
Okay, you think so?
I think so.
We'll see. Ajani joins us on phone. Ajani Salmon, good morning to you. Can you hear me?
Yes, I am hearing you. Good morning.
Hi, are you awake? Or is that just your cool voice?
It's about midday here.
Okay, I got it. Congratulations to you on this film. We just had a look at the trailer and it looks quite funny, quite entertaining. Tell me a little bit about the motivation behind this project and about the story, because is this the story of the black man in a foreign land who gets stereotyped and has to claw his way to get somewhere? Tell us a little bit about the catalyst and whether the story is true to home.
I guess the catalyst for the show is that kind of born from frustration of not being able to make my own projects or not getting the funding to make my own projects. So at some point I just kind of decided to say, yo, let me just do my own thing and say exactly what I want to say without kind of governing bodies kind of imposing the narrative or shaping what I want to say or what I want to make, because that's generally what comes with when you get funding from kind of bigger agencies. And the story really is, I guess you can call it a compilation story of all my black filmmaker friends put in one character, of just trying to get into the industry, because this is still an industry which very much has big gatekeepers.
Yeah. How difficult was it to get it done? Having decided you were going to do it on your own, I know these days we have phones shooting movies and so on, but how difficult or easy was that for you, Ajani, to get it actually shot and edited and done by yourself?
Yeah, well, that's where kind of, I guess, me going to film school was really helpful, because now I have a network of industry-trained people who are also or either unemployed or struggling to find work like me.
Yes.
So it was really a lot of like friends and begging and, you're free this weekend, or, talking to actors saying, I don't have much money, but this might be a big thing. So, it might be in your interest. But yeah, it was a lot of begging and borrowing and, not asking permission.
Yeah. So your cast looks pretty good, though. So obviously you look like you begged the right people. I see you wearing a shirt called Full Joy. We're hoping that's what's going to happen when this movie launches and gets out there and it will spread like wildfire. What's the sense you're getting from just, intuitively about the series, around you and the kind of buzz that's been going on? When you talk to Andre, what's the feeling that you have about how well do you think this film is going to do, or the series is going to do?
Well, we've been getting a lot of buzz here in London as well. So we're premiering in Leicester Square on Sunday.
Okay.
The Prince Charles Cinema. And initially we had booked a 300-seater cinema. But at the time, we were wondering, should we book 100? You know, 'cause I don't know if people will come, you know, outside of friends and family.
Yeah.
And we kind of sold out those tickets within about a week.
Wow, you should have booked a bigger
And
theater.
even now, yeah, well, yeah, I mean, we love to, but then again, that's more money, right?
Yeah,
So,
well, yeah.
we kind of just have to tell everybody that, yo, like, just watch it on YouTube. It will come out the same time. But we really hope that we can show industry professionals that there are people out there who are good at telling stories, and there are new voices that you may not have heard of.
Yeah.
And we're hoping to broadcasters or even online broadcasters such as the Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu, and these people. So that's the goal, really, to get it to that level.
Are you more nervous or excited?
To be honest, I'm focused. I don't have time to be nervous now because we know that as soon as, you know, we're building up to this launch, but the real work starts after the launch.
Yeah.
So I'm just trying to keep focused on that.
Well, this is a good time. The timing is good because Black Panther has done well. A Wrinkle in Time has done well. So this is a time for black movies. So the timing is good there, Ajani. You're sending people, you say you want people to watch on YouTube after the film. Where do we find it? It's youtube.com/what?
Dreaming Whilst Black.
Dreaming Whilst Black. So that is that's as of Sunday.
As of Sunday, yes.
As of Sunday. All right. Well, guess what, Ajani? We hope your dream becomes reality after this film.
Thank you.
Is there anything you want to say to Jamaicans about coming out on Sunday? Andre has already invited them, but I'm giving you a chance as well.
Okay, well, we just hope everybody kind of either come out or go online and support, I guess, Jamaican content. Yes, I'm here, but all my skills were really made in Jamaica.
Yeah.
And I just hope everybody enjoys it. I really hope everybody enjoys it.
So, Ajani, one final question for you. Where's your accent?
Yeah.
What happened to your accent? You don't have one?
Which accent?
Your British accent.
No, that's for acting purposes only.
I love it. I love the yo and you're there, but you're still home. Appreciate it. Thank you for joining us, and all the best with this series, man. We're keeping our fingers crossed for you, and we'll go ahead and support on Sunday.
Thank you very much, and thank you for having me.
Sure. Ajani Salmon, director and writer of this TV show that we hope goes a far, far way, Dreaming Whilst Black. And on set, we've got the managing director of Muse Creative Agency, Andre Burnett, who brought a gift. Muchas gracias. I got it. I got a shirt. So when this movie was big, I can say, you know that I got one of the first T-shirts that when the series gets off the ground. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Sunday, folks, at the Cove. That's Winchester.
Winchester Road.
7 o'clock. Free. Go check it out. Dreaming Whilst Black. Thank you very much. We'll be right back. More on Smile after the break. Soon come.